Hi, this is Cousin Russ. Today I'm going to take a Randy Seaver blog post, which is on my screen right now, and do the same information, except I'm going to do it as a recording. It works for me, and maybe it'll show some folks how we ended up doing this, and appreciate Randy reminding us about how to identify the record hint number. So I'm going to switch over here to my family tree, and I've been here before, and I have all these hints, and I'm going to click on tree pages and go to all hints. Now, what I want to show you is how do I need two elements. The first element is the tree number, and it's in the URL and is the 8 numbers that follows the URL that says trees. It says ancestry.com/trees/ and 8 numbers. Those are the 8 numbers that you need to identify on your tree. And it will be different for each of you. It'll be a different number for each tree that you have, but that's where you will find your tree number. And here is my most recent list of hints, and I want to focus on one of them. Now, I will show you what I'm going to do now, and all these links and stuff are in the comments, and what I'm going to do is show you what we need to do. This is the workaround to search for records from Ancestry member tree. You substitute the AMT code number, which is your tree number, which I showed you. You substitute the dddd with 4 numbers, and so I showed you where the tree number is. So this is the URL that I'm trying. This is where your tree number goes, and this is where the hint number goes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to paste it right here. I know what my tree number is, but I don't know what the 4 numbers are. Now I'm going to come back to show you how to find that number, but I'm going to put in a number into that. I'm going to type over the 4 pound signs and put in a number, and the number that I put in was 3693. And as you can see, I got a notation across here that says collection filter Social Security Death Index. If I want to remove that filter, I can do that. But right now, I am looking only at the Social Security Death Index records in my tree, and I have 18 of them. Okay, so how did I get there? Well, I'm going to go, and you can do this from any place. I'm going to go to his Social Security hint and look at the record, but I'm not going to do anything with it. What's important right now is I'm going to click on the name of that record, and this can be any record. I'm just using this as the example since I've been talking about this before. And there is the plain text. And if you look at the top, you look at the very top, you will see what that number is for the tree number. Now I'm going to move this arrow back a little bit because it's right there, and you will see it at the top of your screen. It is the 4 numbers after DBID, which makes sense to me, database ID. So it's this number. Let me get rid of that red mark because you may not be able to see it, but the 4 numbers, it says DBID, then there's 4 numbers. Those are the 4 numbers that you want to pick. So that's the video version of what Randy did, and I tried it after I saw Randy's blog post, tried it out, and I love it. And this I was doing some cleanup, so I wanted to test out. So now I'd have to spend so much time looking for records. I still like going through the full list because it gives me an idea of what I might want to do in the future. So I hope that's helpful, and have a great day.